What is your name? What is your name? My name is Priya. My name is Priya. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. When is your birth? When is your birth? My birthday is on May 1st. My birthday is on May 1st. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in India. I live in India. How tall are you? How tall are you? I am 5.5 feet. I am 5.5 feet. Are you married? Are you married? Yes, I am married. Yes, I am married. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? I live with husband. I live with husband. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m. What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? My favorite food is rice. My favorite food is rice. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? I speak only one language, it's English. I speak only one language, it's English. Where is your husband? Where is your husband? He is in the living room. He is in the living room. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is watching TV. He is watching TV.